Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Can you believe the iPhone XR is already 7 years old? Released in 2018, this phone was a game changer with its colorful design, great battery life, and affordable price. But how does it hold up in 2025? Is it still usable, or is it time to upgrade? Let's find out. First, the design. The iPhone XR still looks surprisingly modern with its aluminum frame and glass back. It's actually more premium than many new budget phones in 2025. Yes, the bezels are thicker and there's the old school notch, but overall it still feels solid and comfortable in the hand. A 6.1-inch liquid retina LCD, the display is where it shows its age. It's a 720p-ish LCD panel, not OLED, and by today's standards, it's not very sharp. Watching YouTube or Netflix is still fine, but if you're used to 120Hz OLEDs, you'll definitely notice the difference. But for casual users, it's still decent. Now this is where I was really surprised. The iPhone XR is powered by Apple's A12 Bionic chip, and guess what? It's still smooth for basic tasks. iOS 18 is still supported in apps like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and even light gaming run fine. Just don't expect it to handle heavy multitasking or high-end games anymore. It only has a single 12MP rear camera, but for social media or casual photography, it's not bad at all. Daylight shots are decent, but low light is where it struggles. No night mode, and the dynamic range is limited compared to modern phones. The front camera is okay for selfies and video calls, but again, don't expect magic. Battery life was a strong point, but after 7 years? If you've replaced the battery, it's okay, still gets 4 to 5 hours of screen time. So, is the iPhone XR worth it in 2025? If you're on a tight budget and find one under $100, it's a decent secondary phone or for light users. But if you want long-term software support, better cameras, and performance, it's time to upgrade. The iPhone XR had a great run, but 2025 might be its retirement year. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Comment below, would you still buy the iPhone XR in 2025? I'll see you in the next one.